Hello guys, how are you? I think you all of you guys are doing well, extremely well. So let's get started. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to parse JSON data in Android Studio. You might be work on JSON data in your like in another fields like web development. You might be handle JSON data in your UI or in your application. So in this video, I will be discussing how, as an Android developer, we parse JSON data in a way if we want to show any data information in our UI user UI. So how we can do this? So here is an example. Here is a short of JSON data where you see this is the first array and this is second third fourth like the id name and age. So how we parse this data in our screen. So let's get started. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हम इसमें पहले जैसे कि अपन देख पा रहे हैं ये हमारी मेन एक्टिविटी है, आप सबको पता ही होगा। तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं कि एक एक फंक्शन आता है जो कि फंक्शन जो है एक ऑब्जेक्ट रिटर्न करेगा। ऑब्जेक्ट रिटर्न क्यों करेगा ये बाद में बताऊंगा, बट हम पहले फंक्शन को देखते हैं। लेट्स सी व्हाट दिस फंक्शन डू। ठीक है, व्हाट दिस फंक्शन डूइंग। So the function name is load JSON data, and it receive context, and it return the list of person. Here you might thinking what is person here. So person क्या है, यहाँ पे एक डेटा क्लास है। तो डेटा क्लास हम इसलिए बनाते हैं कि जो भी हमारे डेटा डॉट जेसन में जो भी टाइप होता है ना, लाइक जैसे कि आईडी का इंटीजर टाइप है, एलाइस का ये है और इसका ये है। तो हमने क्या किया, तीन टाइप को बनाए क्योंकि हमारे पास तीन ही डेटा फॉर्मेट है। तो this is a reason why we are creating like person data class. Okay, so this is responsible for return id, this is responsible for returning the name, and this is responsible for returning the age of person. Okay, so this function returning the list of person. Okay, this can be nullable. So this by this because of this we apply this question mark, which is known as lambda function. So first step, here we open the data.json file from the raw folder. Where we made this data.json, let I will show you. Like in this res folder, first of all you have to create a directory named raw. In this directory raw, you have to create a data.json file. So this is data.data file. So what this line do? Like this line open the data file like context or source open resources. So guys, this is predefined function होता है Android Studio में, जो कि होता है resources open resources में. So we collecting this into the input stream or input stream, and this second line is responsible for creating a read the data. Like input stream reader is responsible for reading the input stream. Input stream is variable where we stored where we are stored like data. Okay, next, create a json object to visualize the json data. Like we receive the json data and we have to convert this json data into json object. This is why I wrote this later previously object json objects. Okay, so this is also a syntax in Android Studio or Kotlin where we have used to create object type of token list person. So okay, and in finally we pass the JSON file using JSON from data type, and we must use try and catch block because if this might not be work, so this throw an exception which you can handle while on it. Okay, so before implementing this, you have to first implement a dependency, add a dependency in your greater build. So let's see what is greater build. In this greater build, we have to implement this dependency, implement list.json. Okay, I will provide in the description what is JSON and how it implemented, and I'm also providing you the GitHub link of this code, so you can able to parse the JSON file in your app or application. Okay, so this will return us a object. Okay, so in main activity, we creating a variable named person list, which is type of list person, which is private here, and if we are not initializing here any variable, so we have to declare by latent. Latent is a keyword in Kotlin which is used when we are not initializing any variable with any value. So this is used latent. Okay, in uh, override function, we initialize person list with we calling JSON util. This is a file name JSON util dot load JSON data this, and we passing this context. Okay, so in this person list we received a string of list of person. So in order to see what is in the person list, we will see in shortly. So why this we can like print this here. We can I am printing this, like we can print this log d by log d, log wait a minute, log d. Yeah, here we can like print this what we received here, not this dollar sign and person list. So why this remove curly braces? Okay, okay, we are able to see what we get in the person list. So we have to run this and we have to implement tag function, not this tag import property tag. So this the error going, and if we run this app, like wait, when we run the app, we able to see the data in our logcat files, and in order to see the logd data, we have to type here the message tag. Like if we write my app, which is the message here, if you see this is the message app, and if you write this my app message, so in order to get person list, so wait a minute. So our app is built successfully, and if we see in logcat my app, so you are able to see that we received a my app person list, where this is the data of first person, this is the data of second person, this is the data of third person, and so on. So this is what we received in our like personal person dot list here. So we have to parse person list. So we receive person list, and if you want to display the person list in your UI application, you have to do what? You will do what? You implement search function, and in search function you passed list of person, where the where our function is finding particular list of person, and in parallelly we are sending query as a string data type, है ना? Okay, so here we implement search function. This is remember function, which is defined, which is like filter the person list based on search query. So this display the data in this manner, like Alice, which is of 30 age, and Oscar, which is age of 19, so on. In this manner, this gives us a data in your UI. Okay, so let's understand what he what the function is doing. like we receive modifier and person list, and in this we are like logging this person list, and we are making like search query by this is a state of remember, which is used in jetpack compose to store the state of like save the state current state. So search query is used. So in remember, like search, we are calling search function and passing list query and search query. So in order we receive filter list the data of person first, है ना, और हम क्या कर रहे हैं बाद में पर्सनल लिस्ट पे हम ट्रेवर्स कर रहे हैं हर एक पे, और हर पर्सन का पर्सन नेम और पर्सन एज जो है अपेंड कर रहे हैं और इसको हम प्रिंट कर रहे हैं. सो बेसिकली दिस दैट्स सो बेसिकली क्या है कि इस तरीके से हम मतलब कोई भी जेसॉन डेटा को अपन पार्स कर सकते हैं. तो ये यहीं तक था. थैंक यू.